Hello, today we'll be going over how to download and use Libby. You can use Libby to read ebooks and listen to audiobooks. Libby is available on iOS and Android. Today we will go over how to use the Libby mobile app. In your App Store, search for Libby and download the app. Once downloaded, you will be asked if you have a library card and to search for your library. Type City of Santa Clarita Public Library and select. Enter your library card number and PIN. If you don't have a library card, visit your local branch. Once logged in, you can scroll on the homepage to discover books or search for what you're looking for. Click on a book to read its description. When you want to borrow a book, click the plus sign next to your library card. Then click Borrow. Go to Shelves to open the book. You can read directly in Libby or on a Kindle. Once the book is open, scroll to the left to turn the page. Click the center of the page to change your settings or select a chapter. Click back to go back to your shelves. Audiobooks are checked out in the same way. You will know if it's an audiobook because it will have the headphone symbol. If something is already checked out, you can place a hold on it. When the book is available to borrow, you will get a notification to add it to your shelf. You can listen to audiobooks right in the Libby app. Click the play button to play your audiobook. You can touch the title of the chapter to change the chapter or section that you're on. Ebooks and audiobooks are automatically returned at the end of your loan period. If you'd like to return something early, go to your shelf, click Manage Loan, then click Return Early. Click the Return Loan button, and just like that, your material is returned. You can check out to up to 20 items at a time on Libby. So what are you waiting for? Thank you for watching this video and happy reading!